Welcome to our deep dive into the world of 3D printing, where creativity meets innovation. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best 3D printers that deliver top-notch performance, reliability, and value for money. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Number 5. Ender 3 Pro. The Ender 3 Pro is a widely popular and affordable choice that has earned its reputation as one of the best entry-level 3D printers on the market. The Ender 3 Pro is known for its sturdy construction and reliable performance, making it a go-to option for beginners and experienced users alike. The Ender 3 Pro also features a power recovery mode, so if you experience a power outage, the printer can resume exactly where it left off. This reduces wasted time and filament, making your printing experience more efficient. If you're just stepping into the world of 3D printing and want a budget-friendly, dependable machine, the Ender 3 Pro is a great starting point. Number 4. Creality K1C. The Creality K1C is a 3D printer that brings a blend of speed, precision, and versatility. The Creality K1C is equipped with an advanced cork structure, which allows for faster print speeds without sacrificing quality. Its unique design reduces vibration during printing, resulting in smoother and more detailed models. Additionally, the K1C comes with a touchscreen interface that makes it easy to navigate settings and monitor your print progress. If you're looking for a high-performance 3D printer that can keep up with your most ambitious projects, the Creality K1C is a strong contender. Number 3. Felsun V400. The Felsun V400 is a Delta-style 3D printer that excels in both speed and precision. The V400 is designed for those who need a printer that can handle rapid prototyping without sacrificing detail. With its Delta configuration, the printer's 3 arms move independently, enabling it to achieve higher speeds compared to traditional Cartesian printers. Another highlight of the V400 is its touchscreen control panel, which provides an intuitive interface for adjusting settings and managing prints. The printer's auto-leveling feature ensures that you get a perfectly calibrated print bed every time, so you can focus on your designs rather than troubleshooting. If you need a high-speed, precision-focused 3D printer, the Felsun V400 is a top choice. Number 2. Zonestar 4. The Zonestar 4 is a feature-packed 3D printer that offers incredible versatility and customization options. The Zonestar 4 stands out with its ability to support dual extrusion, allowing you to print in 2 different materials or colors simultaneously. This opens up a world of creative possibilities, whether you're producing complex models or multicolored prints. One of the most appealing aspects of the Zonestar 4 is its open-source nature, which makes it highly customizable. Whether you want to upgrade the hardware or tweak the firmware, the Zonestar 4 allows you to adapt the printer to your specific needs. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for makers who like to experiment and push the boundaries of what their printer can do. Number 1. Voron Trident Sabor. Voron Trident Sabor is a 3D printer that delivers professional-grade performance for serious enthusiasts and makers. The Voron Trident is known for its precision, reliability, and modular design, making it one of the most advanced 3D printers on the market. The Voron Trident is also built for durability, with high-quality components that ensure consistent performance over time. The printer's modular design makes it easy to upgrade and maintain, so you can keep it running at peak performance for years to come. Whether you're producing intricate prototypes or large-scale models, the Voron Trident Sabor is a powerhouse that offers unmatched quality and versatility. And there you have it, our top 5 best 3D printers that cater to every need, from beginners to experienced makers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.